Hi guys, welcome to howtomath.com. In this video, we're going to continue our series on greatest common divisor. So we have already learned how to get or to find the GCD of two or more numbers. And in this video, we're going to examine the number of divisors of the whole numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so if you want, you can pause the video and then list the divisors of each of the 10 numbers. Okay, you can pause the video and then see if your answer is correct. Okay, so I hope you have paused the video and listed the divisors of 1 to 10. So for 1, we have, of course, 1 only as a divisor. And for 2, we have 1 and 2. For 3, we have 1 and 3. For 4, we have 1, 2, and 4. For 5, we have 1 and 5. For 6, we have 1, 2, and 3, and 6 also. For 7, we have 1 and 7. For 8, we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. For 9, we have 1, 3, and 9. And for 10, we have 1, 2, 5, and 10. So for the number of divisors, we have 1. The number of divisors here is 2. And then we have 2. We have 3. We have 2. We have 4 divisors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Then we have 2. What else? We have 4 here. We have 3, and we have 4. Okay, so 1 is very special because it's only one divisor. There are also special numbers with 2 divisors. So notice that we have numbers with only 2 divisors. And those numbers and those divisors are 1 and the number itself. So for example, for 3, the only divisors are 1 and itself. So these numbers are very special. And we have another video which is very similar to this video, but I repeated the video because I want continuity in this tutorial series. So these numbers are called prime numbers. Prime numbers. So prime numbers are numbers with only 2 divisors. Those are 1 and itself. So let's note a prime number is a number with only 2 divisors. 1 and itself. Okay, so for 7, the only divisors are 1 and 7 itself. Now, can you think of other prime numbers more than 10? Okay, maybe that's one of the exercises that you can do. Number 2 is, so what do you call the numbers that are, by the way, numbers that are not prime, but we have a special number. Sorry about that. So what are the numbers that are not prime? So for example, 3. What is 3? 3 divisors, 4 divisors, 4 divisors, 3 divisors, 4 divisors. So these are 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. So numbers that are not prime are called composite numbers. Numbers that are not prime are called composite numbers. So these are the numbers. These are the numbers with more than 2 divisors. More than 2 divisors. So what about 1? 1 has only 1 divisor, and of course it's less than 2 divisors. So it does not belong to the prime numbers, and it does not also belong to the composite numbers. Okay. So 1 is special, and 1 is not prime. 1 is not composite. So maybe we should ask the mathematicians why 1 is so special. Actually, I know the answer. It has something to do with the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, but I think that's too early to discuss here. So maybe in later discussions we will learn what the fundamental theorem of arithmetic is, and its relationship with 1 as not being a prime number and not being a composite number. Okay, that's it. I hope you have learned something from this video. I would like to invite you to our website, howtomath.com, and of course our YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button, and then just click the bell, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.